Hello, good afternoon. In this quick tutorial, we'll go through the basic stages of setting up a Shopify store. We'll look at sign up design, adding products, adding a domain name, and setting up the payment mechanism. So the first step is to sign up. So this one is very easy. So all you have to do is just to go on this website, shopify.com. This is the link. And then just type in your email address so you can start a free trial. So Shopify is giving a 14 days free trial. So after 14 days, it's up to you if you will continue or not. So after 14 days, of course, they will ask you for a certain fee. I think $13 is the least amount they can ask from you. So once you're done signing up, you have to put your email address, your name, your address, and the things like that. Then once everything is settled, you will have this page. This one. So you have to give your store a name. Hopefully you've got an idea in mind. So for my demo store, I'm using Lux White. It's Lux PH here. So once you're here, you can simply add a product, customize theme, and add a domain. So for here, you will need to add an address. So of course, Shopify can calculate sales tax and payments and things like that. And then once you sign up your personal information, your first name, last name, and your email address, you can start customizing your theme. So for this one, let's click and I'll show you customize theme. So after signing up, you will have a simple dashboard without anything. So you can start with the fun stuff like designing your store here. There you go. So this one, let's click on this customize. Okay, let's just wait for this to load. Okay, in my case, I already signed up. I already customized my store. I put a design already and some items here, some products there. So it will take you to this page. Just simply follow. This is the header. Then you can put your any image you want to put there. Then here you can see the announcement bar. So I didn't put anything here because I don't want some announcement will be popping out on this top of the store. So it's up to you if you want to put anything. So you just edit this one and bar text, and then once you're okay with that, you can just go here and click save. There you go. So here you have to choose the perfect theme for your store. Shopify has 100 designs, templates, I guess, for you to customize your online store. So you have to think of them as a starting point. You can amend the layouts, colors, and images as you go through. So that is the header. This one, it's like the body. This one, you can adjust the position of the photo if you want to put it in the top there or in the middle. There you go. Then the layout, if you want to have it full or fixed width. Then the size, the heading, and here also the text. That's one. So you can edit the text here. You can type anything, any description that you want to to have in the page. There you go. And then when you're done, just click on save. And if you don't want to have anything here, you can just remove this section. And when you remove this, when you click this remove section, it will be gone from the options here. So there's one. Those are the products that I place one by one. Here you go. So it's the same as I mentioned earlier. Major products. So these are those products there. First one, second, and third. You can also remove the section if you want to. Okay, so that's all about the customization of the theme. So okay, by the way, they have free themes here, so let's explore the free themes. So you can choose which one. So there, these are the free themes that they have here. There, so it's up to you which one you prefer. There, so this one's edition of fresh pasta since 1978. Okay, so I may suggest that you can choose a theme that is clean, simple, and I guess has a plenty of room for large images. There you go. So Shopify gives you plenty of control actually over the look and feel of your site. There, so you can spend hours altering your layout and design, but of course you can come back to this at any time. So for now, we'll go to products. So simply add your first product. So as you can see, I already placed some of my products here. There. So let's just set this an example. There. Okay, let's go back. There. If you want to add a new product, just simply click on this. There you go. So this is the product. You'll put the title, the name, and the description of your first product. So here I put mine. It's glutathione. This is the description I place and the image. So this one, it is very important not to skip the product description. So a good description is essential if you want to convince customers to buy your goods, of course. So you choose your words carefully and make the product stand out. So a unique product description here is also essential for making better rankings in search engines. So here, edit website SEO. So you can put that one here. So your description has larger chances of scaling up through search engine optimization. So once you're done with this one, adding your title, description, and image, there. So by the way, your image can make or break your sales rate. So it's great. It's great to have nice photos. They are the key to convincing customers to buy from you. So you choose them carefully as well. And then once it's all set, you can go to the pricing. So here, that is the actual price. Compare price, let's say to 3.5. There, in peso. Cost per item. So there you go. So enter the price of your product and be sure to tick the charges taxes box here. So Shopify will automatically add the correct sales tax based on your location. And then you have to enter the SKU. SKU is stock keeping unit. So just for me, I'll just put yeah, I think gluta is better there. Barcode, I just leave it blank. Here you go. So the SKU is simply a number to identify each product. So don't leave this blank. Importantly, you have to change the inventory policy to Shopify tracks this product, and it enter the number of products you have available. So here, let's say I'll have 4 there. This way, Shopify tracks how many products have been sold and how many are left. Okay, step 1 and 2. And then here, scroll down, you can also add the product weight for shipping purposes. So for me, I guess it's less than 1 kilo. So that's why I didn't edit this one. So for your items, you can estimate what is the weight of your items. So Shopify will attempt to calculate a rough shipping price based on the customer's location and the weight of your product. So this one is very important. So you have to make it accurate. So they will not charge you bigger amount when it comes to the shipping fees. So also you can add the variants for the size, color, and the like. So if your product comes with different options like a t-shirt in different sizes, Shopify will handle this for you. So you have to just tell it what sizes, colors, or fabrics are available for each product. Okay, so if everything is fine with you and it's okay, then just click on save and hit publish, and your product is automatically added to your storefront. So you have to repeat the process for each product you're selling. And then for this one, wait, let us click save for a while. Product saved and go back. Oh, why? Product saved. Okay. There you go. Once you're done, we'll go back here and you can create a custom domain name. So a custom domain makes your online store look slick and professional. Shopify makes it easy, so let's click set up a custom domain. So for me, I'll just add the domain there. So this one is the Shopify, your domain name that Shopify created. So you have a choice if you will use this one or you can buy a new domain. So if you're gonna buy a new domain, if you don't yet own a domain name, okay, so Shopify allows you to see what's available and buy it right there and then. Okay, let's say for example, lux.net. Okay, it's unavailable. Lux store. If let's say for example this one, luxstore.com. There, luxstore.net. The cost for this domain is $17 a year. So it's up to you if you want to buy this domain, but in my case, I will just leave it like that. I will not buy any domain. But another tip that I can give you, because it's quite a little bit expensive for the domain here in Shopify. So instead of buying here in Shopify, you can go to GoDaddy. Okay, let's check GoDaddy. How much is GoDaddy.com? So here you have to register for 268.18. That's a domain name. So I think this is the amount. So there, so it's up to you. Where do you want to purchase? But I suggest you can go here and check for a new domain and purchase here at GoDaddy. It's a little bit cheaper compared to the domain in Shopify. There. So once you have purchased any domain, you just have to um, type the domain name here and then connect the existing domain. And then that would be all that is set up already. And of course, lastly, you have to add your payment mechanism so you can make money. So with this, we'll just go to, we have to navigate to settings here, settings, and then click on payments. So from here, you can start by choosing your preferred method. So for many, the simplest option is PayPal. But you can also choose Shopify payments, which also allows you to accept credit cards directly. So without using PayPal as a middleman, you'll just need to connect to your bank account here, there, bank deposit. So you have just to connect this one. If you have another payment method in mind, you can choose from a dozen or more alternative payments, including Amazon, BitPay, and Coinbase. So for this one, just click here on this one. For PayPal, you have to click this one because in my case, if I will click it, it will be deactivated. But if you are starting up, it is here like complete setup. Then just go through the process and follow the step-by-step guide to complete your details in setting up your account there at PayPal. So once everything is okay here and you're all good, just click on save, and then you're done. Just hit the publish button and your own online store is ready to go live to the world. So when you're done, you can click on this to see how your website looks like. There. So here for me, that's how my website looks now after I finish everything that I am telling you a while ago. Scroll down. There you go. Okay. So it's very quick and easy to set up. It just take, takes a lot of determination, I guess, to set up your website. So there. I hope you like this, and I thank you for watching. Bye.